Race, a conceptual framework to designate groups of people with similar physical characteristics and ancestry for social classification purposes. People within populations or groups are given racial classifications for group stratification assignment that reflect social value systems. Modern scholarship regards race as a social construct, an identity for group membership and lifetime associations. While partially based on physical similarities within groups, race does not have an inherent physical or biological meaning. The human race is defined as a group of people with certain common inherited features that distinguish them from other groups. All humans belong to the one species, Homo sapiens, with the ability to interbreed. All races share a 99.99+% of the same genetic materials, which means that division by race is largely subjective, and that the original race categories were more subjective descriptions than scientifically founded. Anthropologists recognize 3 or 4 basic races, subdivided into as many as 30 subgroups: Australoid, Caucasian, Mongolian, and Negroid. Australoid represents Black people indigenous to the South and Southeast Asia and Oceania, like the Aboriginal Australians. They also include inhabitants of Fiji and other Southwest Islands, Negreto ethnic groups in the Philippines, the Vada people in Sri Lanka, and others in the interior of India. Caucasian, also known as Caucasoid and Europid, are generally Aryan and identify as white. They come from ancient and modern populations in Europe, Western, Central, and South Asia, North Africa, and the Horn of Africa. Mongolians come from East, Central, Southeast, and North Asia, and the Americas. They include the people of northern Mongolia, Chinese, Indo-Chinese, Japanese, Korean, Tibetan, Malayan, Polynesian, Eskimo, American Indian, and more. Negroid populations hail from sub-Saharan Africa to the African Great Lakes in the southeast and are also represented by the African diaspora. So what does race mean if not what you look like? It means your social status assignment. Consider Rebecca, the well-advertised slave girl, and her siblings in New Orleans. In America, the law dictated that if you have 1 drop of Negro blood, then your race is Negro or colored. Naturally, with the widespread interbreeding between blacks and whites, some of the children of those unions would present as white, like Rebecca, Charles, and Rosa, lovingly wrapped in the American flag as our protection.